Oh my gosh. This is such a special moment right here. I wanted to share it with you because of how meaningful this is to me. This is a dream achieved moment right here. In this package right here is the very first copy of Cracking the Man Code. It's my new book that's coming out with Ben Bella. This is one of those beautiful dream achieved moments, and I just wanted to share it with you. For years, I wanted to write this book and I put it off because there were other priorities, and we're building business and we're making an impact and we're doing live events, and it was a dream and I wanted to do it. And finally someone asked the question. I was at one of our events and we were doing a transformational process, and the question was, if you got to the end of your life, would you have any regrets? And I'm just so grateful for the life I've created and been blessed with. I've met the love of my life primarily because of what's in this book, the content. I have 3 beautiful kids. I've got an amazing community online, and we do great work together, and I help women manifest their man. And so I was feeling really grateful about all of this. And then this rush of regret came up that if I didn't write this book, this was 5 years ago, over 5 years ago. If I didn't write this book and I got to the end of my life and I never wrote it, because this was the very first content that I was teaching, was Cracking the Man Code. It was online. It was live events all over the country, and women would come. We'd have man panels, and it was a great time. And at that point I said, I want my next book to be Cracking the Man Code. And then there was a whole bunch of reasons to put it off. All the reasons that we think of around time and energy. So finally it was at that seminar 5 years ago that I said, I'm doing this. It doesn't fit in my calendar. It doesn't fit in the logical sense of the business model, but I'm doing it because I'm passionate about it. And I hired a writing coach. This is before AI. So this book is pre-AI. It's all me. I wanted to get better as a writer. I would wake up at 5 a.m. and we would write. I would wake up on the weekends and I would write. This editor and I would go over every single line and we would toil. And it took 2 full years to write the book. And then we did rewrite. And then we did the publisher deal. And so ultimately it's been a 5-year journey. And what you're seeing right here is the very first time that I get to open this package and hold the dream manifested in my hands. And the cool part is I visualized this up, the cardboard box, and it coming from the publisher, and being able to open it up and smelling the cardboard box and all of this. And yeah, okay, the box was bigger. It was going to be a whole bunch of books in the box. That's what I was visualizing. But hey, they sent me this early so that we could get the word out there. So thank you for celebrating this moment with me. I'm going to open this bad boy up. Cool, dude. Oh my gosh. Oh, dude, this is gorgeous. This is beautiful. I love the cover. It's not what I imagined when I was first dreaming this up. I thought it's even better than what I originally imagined. Gay Hendricks wrote the foreword. He's a mentor, an amazing, amazing mentor of mine, friend. All amazing endorsements. Lisa Nichols, we have Ariel Ford, Catherine Woodward Thomas, Dr. Sheree Carter Scott. And I'm so grateful for the support that I had along the way. So many moments where I'm writing this book, and even though like this is what I live and this is what I teach, like this is the whole idea around polarity and masculine and feminine energy. And like I was getting in my own way in massive ways in my relationships because I didn't understand polarity. I didn't understand how it worked. When I began to lean into those ideas and principles, it changed my love life. I'm so happy and grateful to be able to give this to other people, have other people receive these same ideas and concepts. I'm so proud of the work that's gone into this book. Like, if you want to read it, I highly encourage you, grab a copy, help achieve the dream. We have a dream of 1 million copies sold in 18 months. That's the vision that I'm holding. And it's primarily people getting it and then telling all their friends about it because of what it can do in their life, and the difference of really understanding how men think, how men love, how men communicate, so you can create the relationship that you've always wanted. Because I believe there's nothing worse than relationship pain when you're disconnected in your relationship. And it could be a relationship with your husband or your boyfriend or your brother or your dad. But this will help you connect to every man in your life. It's one of my missions in the world, is increasing love in the world, one heart at a time. And I am so grateful for this dream achieved moment, and so grateful for all the support that I got along the way, and very grateful for you and getting to share this dream achieved moment with you in celebration. There were so many moments along the way where I had doubts, like, oh, is this going to be good enough? Are people going to resonate with this? Like, what am I'm pouring all this time and energy and leaning into, I feel called to write this book. I feel called to do this. And my wife reassuring me, honey, this is great. You've got this. So many moments of pushing through the doubt. And so there may be a dream that's on your heart right now. Chances are it's probably been there a while. If you're human and you're like most of us, there's a dream that's been on your heart for many, many years. The encouragement for you is to recognize that the dream doesn't happen by itself or by accident. It happens when you make a decision that today is the day. This is your time. You are not going to go to your deathbed without having at least gone for the dream and giving it your all. And when you do that, that's what makes life so much fun and so fulfilling and so ignited. And then these moments of joy and getting to share them with people you care about. Thank you for being on the journey with me. If you want to grab a copy as well, we'll put the link in the description. There's a whole bunch of bonuses that we're creating with this. I appreciate you. Here is to creating a life you love and a dream achieved moment. Sending you lots of love.